fx equal to x cube minus 5x square minus 2x plus 24. Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, c equal to minus 2 and d equal to 24. So alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a equal to minus 5 by 1 equal to 5. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a equal to minus 2 by 1 equal to minus 2 and alpha beta gamma equal to minus d by a equal to minus 24 by 1 minus 24. But it is given that alpha into beta means product of two zeros is given that 12. Then alpha beta gamma equal to minus 12. So alpha into beta equal to 12 into gamma equal to minus 24. Then gamma equal to minus 24 by 12 equal to minus 2. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 5. So alpha plus beta value of gamma is minus 2. Then alpha plus beta equal to 5 plus 2 equal to 7. We know that alpha minus beta whole square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta 7 square minus 4 into 12. 49 minus 48 equal to 1. So then alpha minus beta to 1 equal to plus minus 1. So alpha plus beta equal to 7 and alpha minus beta equal to, with there alpha minus beta equal to 1 plus alpha minus beta plus beta minus beta cancel, 2 alpha equal to 8, then alpha equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4. So value of alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 5. Value of alpha is 4 plus beta plus gamma 5. Value of gamma is minus 2 equal to 5. So 2 plus beta equal to 5, then beta equal to 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Again alpha plus beta equal to 7 and alpha minus beta equal to minus 1. Plus beta minus beta cancel, so 2 alpha equal to 6, so therefore alpha equal to 3. So alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 5. value of alpha is 4 plus beta plus value of alpha is 3 plus beta plus value of gamma is minus 2 5 1 plus beta equal to 5, so beta equal to 4. Then therefore 3 zeros of fx are 3, 4 and minus 2. Answer. If the zeros of the polynomial fx equal to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 37x minus 30 are in AP, find them. So let A minus B E and A plus B are zeros of fx which are in AP. Then alpha plus beta plus gamma means sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. Here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 15, c equal to 37 and d equal to minus 30 equal to minus 15 by a. To let alpha equal to a minus d, beta equal to a and gamma equal to a plus d equal to 15 by 2. D minus d cancel, 3a equal to 15 by 2, 5. A equal to 5 by 2. Now, product of zeros means alpha into beta into gamma equal to minus d by a. Alpha a minus d into a plus d equal to minus 30 by 2 equal to a minus d into a plus d, a square minus d square into a equal to 30 by 2. Value of a is 5 by 2, then a square equal to 5 by 2 whole square minus d square into 5 by 2 equal to 30 by 2. 2 cancel, 5 6 is 30. So 5 square 25 by 4 minus d square equal to 6. 25 by 4 minus 6 equal to d square. Sorry, 25 by 4. LCM 4, 25 minus 24 equal to d square, or d square equal to 1 by 4. then d equal to root under 1 by 4 equal to plus minus 1 by 2. Now alpha equal to a minus d. Value of a is 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 or 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to 4 by 2 or 6 by 2 equal to 2 or 3. Beta equal to a equal to 5 by 2 and gamma equal to a plus d. A 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2 or 5 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2 equal to 6 by 2 or 4 by 2, 3 or 2. So hence zeros of fx are 2, 3